In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge layers in Canva. If you've ever worked on a Canva design with lots of text, images, and shapes, you know it can quickly get messy. Things overlap, you click the wrong item, and moving one element throws the whole layout off. Merging layers in Canva, or more accurately, grouping them, is the best way to keep your design organized and easy to manage. First, open your Canva presentation or design in the editor. You can do this from your Canva homepage by clicking on the design you want to work on. Once it opens, you'll see your main canvas in the center and your toolbar options along the top and sides. Now, click on at least one of the elements you want to merge. This can be a text box, an image, an icon, or a shape. As soon as you select it, a toolbar will appear along the top of the editor with different options related to that element. In that top toolbar, look for the option labeled Position and click on it. When you do, a panel will appear on the left side of your screen. This is where you can control how elements are arranged on your design. In that panel, switch over to the Layers tab. This tab shows you every element that's currently part of your design, stacked in order, similar to layers in traditional design tools. Here, you'll see a list of all your layers. To merge them into a single unit, you're going to group them. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while holding it, click on each of the layers you want to merge. You should see them all highlighted, both in the list and on your canvas. Once you've selected all the layers you want to combine, right-click on any one of those selected elements. A small menu will pop up. From that menu, choose the option called Group. Canva will now treat all of those individual items as one grouped object. From this point on, you can move, resize, or rotate them together without losing their relative positions. This is especially helpful for things like logos, headers, or complex layouts you don't want to accidentally break apart. And if you ever need to edit one item inside the group, you can either double-click to isolate it or ungroup them using the same right-click menu. And that's it. You've successfully merged your layers in Canva by grouping them, making your design much easier to manage and adjust.